So I'm back on the hunt for the deal Stane, and I've got some more information this time. I think I might be able to find it. This viaduct here, I've seen some pictures, old pictures, black and white pictures, showing the third arch and the deal Stane being through the third arch. Now it can't be this one on this side because there's houses here, but it could be on the other side. So I'm going the wrong way, I need to go down the stairs. So the old fella, the local fella that I met last time, I think it steered me in the wrong direction, and he was misguided by the overgrowth, the trees and the bushes that weren't there when he played at the deal Stane when he was a kid, and I think he took me to the wrong side of the viaduct. So I'm going to take a walk on the other side of the viaduct this time.
Mate, your backpack's open at the back there.
Is it?
Right,
Oh, cheers pal. I would have lost a lot of kit there. Thanks very much. Aye. Trying to do too many things at the one time. Thanks very much. There you go, that could have been a bit disastrous. Eh? Not around here, I don't. Yeah, that was could have been a disaster. Just so many things that you have to get right. This is not the way I had envisioned going. Anyway, so many things you have to remember to do when you're out YouTubing. And I forgot to shut the wee back, the zipped pouch on the bottom of my backpack. But fortunately, that fella there put me right. So anyway, off looking for this deal Stane on the other side of the viaduct where I think it might be. And if I can, I actually saw something white when I was reviewing the drone footage from the last video that possibly could be the Stane, but I'll have a look here. I'm not saying that I'm going to be successful, but I'll give it a bash. Oof. This gimbal doesn't do a complete 360, so now the last time I was here I went this way and I went through the arches that way, and I don't think it's there, so I'm going to go this way, the opposite way, and I've got a feeling that it might be down at this side. So I'll spin this round as much as I can just now and let you have a look with me. Now I am recording the 360 camera, which you'd be able to see. There's not much to see here apart from vegetation. You'll be able to see the 360 camera, which is up there. So I am recording with that as I walk along, and I'll be making two videos here. One is this 4K video where I'll be pointing the camera, and the other one's going to be a video made from that 360 camera where you can look around. So if I miss anything, it's possible that you might pick it up. Right, now, well, this is going all over the place here. Right, so I think it actually might be on the other side of the river, looking at the third arch. And of course there's the third arch, ate a fly there, from the other side too. So there's basically 6 different points that I can look at because of the photo I saw with the deal Stane in view of the third arch, but it didn't give any indication of which side of the viaduct that photo was taken from and what end it was taken from. So really there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 different viewpoints where it could have been taken. So there are 4 different possible locations where the stone might be. And I am thinking now, looking at it, this is about the distance that the photo showed, maybe even too far. So I think it's on the other side of the river. So I'm hoping that further along this way there will be a bridge or some way to cross the river. And if not, I'll go back and I'll cross the viaduct. Better watch my footing here. It's a bit slippy. I think I can hear a helicopter. Oh, somebody in a quad. I better get out of the way. Oh, it's a 4-tier. Right, so I'm not going to be able to get across that, I don't think. No, I can't cross here. That's a pity. Right, but there is a wee bridge there, so if I can possibly go up this way, it's better watch this camera. I'll lower it down a bit, I think. You getting through that way? You going to get through? I'm making a YouTube video. I'm looking for the deal Stane. You ever heard of it?
What? Sorry?
You don't mind me recording this? I'm looking for a thing called the deal Stane. I know that it's close to the viaduct, right? I've seen pictures of it taken in the 1950s. It's a big white stone, about 7 foot by 5 foot. It's only 18 inches high, and it's.
Got a picture of it?
No, there's no pic. There's one picture of it on the internet, and it's taken in the 1950s. It's all black and white, and right.
I'll have a look.
Listen, I've done all my research, and I mean I was out before, and I met an old fella who was local, and he said that as a boy he used to run round it, but he took me to the other side of the viaduct, and we couldn't find it. We spent about an hour looking. I think it's on this side.
Big then.
Well, it's 7 foot by 2 foot, but it's only 18 inches high.
Right.
So it could be.
Aye.
Yeah. So I'm thinking now that it might be on that side, but I can't get out there. I'll have to go up and see if I can.
There's a wee bridge just up there a wee bit.
Right.
Get up there a wee couple of, I don't know how far, but just a wee bit.
And then close.
into the park,
Aye.
have a look, aye.
Because I think it might be on that side.